I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you some questions which will help you to perform well in the test for rational functions. Here is question number 1b. It is describe and sketch rational function y equals to 7x plus 49 divided by x plus 7. We'll have slightly different approach here to describe and then sketch the given function. Y equals to 7x plus 49 divided by x plus 7, right? That is the function. So whenever you are given a rational function, it's a good idea to factor and then look at it. 7 could be factored from the numerator, so we get x plus 7 and the denominator is x plus 7. Now we have a common factor in numerator and denominator which could be cancelled and we get the value 7. So y equals to 7 is a simplified version of this particular function. Now first question which you have to ask is that exactly the same thing? The answer is no, it is not. So what is the difference? The difference is y equals to 7 is actually a constant, right? However, here we have a restriction, and the restriction is that x cannot be minus 7. So when you cancel this, you have to ensure that you write x is not equal to minus 7. So now again, you have to write x is not equal to minus 7. So now these two become equivalent functions, correct? So y equals to 7, but x cannot be equal to minus 7. Now with that, you could actually sketch the function also. So let's sketch this function here and we'll then describe it. Y equals to minus 7 really means what? It means I should have written, okay, y equals to 7 is your function, right? So this reduces to, let me write down here, as equal to 7, where x is not equal to minus 7. Is it okay? So that really means that except for minus 7, this function is defined everywhere and it has a constant value of 7. So we could do like this. We could do kind of like this. A hole at minus 7 and then a horizontal line. So that describes, this is now at minus 7 we have a hole and this point is 7 for us. Is it okay? So that is the graph of this, a rough sketch which can help you to understand what we did, right? So that is how we could analyze this particular function. And now we can write some characteristics about it. So first thing, of course, is a restriction which we're talking about. So restriction is that x is not equal to minus 7. Now, so what is there at minus 7? We have a hole at x equals to minus 7, which is shown here. Is it okay? And then we can write domain of this function is x belongs to real numbers, but x is not equal to minus 7. How about the range? Range in this case is y could only be 7. Do you see that? Y equals to 7 is just a constant, right? So y could only be 7. It does not have any vertical or horizontal asymptotes. Do you see that? So that is how you could actually describe this function. So it's a very important question from test point of view and it's very different from what you saw in question number 1a. I'm Anil Kumar and I hope it helps when to apply which approach so that you could get the right answer in minimum time. I'm Anil Kumar. You can always share and subscribe to my videos and learn a lot. Thank you and all the best.